Today, I'm thrilled to share a treasured traditional dish from Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan, a region nestled in the majestic Himalayas. This mouth-watering recipe is a perfect blend of flavor and simplicity, making it easy for you to bring a taste of the Himalayas to your home, wherever you are in the world. Today's recipe requires just 4 ingredients. Meat of your choice. I'm using dry meat, a traditional winter staple in our region, broken wheat or bulgur wheat, salt to taste, oil optional. Rinse the dry meat with hot water. Fry the meat in a pot or pressure cooker with salt and enough water to cover the meat. Once the meat is tender, add soaked bulgur wheat. If needed, add more water. Cook on low heat until the wheat is fully cooked. If the meat is overcooked, remove it and add later. If desired, add oil and stir continuously on low heat until the oil separates. Your delicious dish is now ready to serve. Enjoy with a spoon, naan or chapati.